Hi, if you're still with me, thanks for watching till the end of the video. I just thought I would go over some of my favorite pieces from this box. I felt like this box was particularly pretty. I feel like every time I get a box, they're like prettier and prettier each time. I don't know if that's on purpose. But they really are. This one was really, really pretty. I feel like the floral patterns, the colors and everything were really nice this time. There was a newer item, newer to me. I haven't seen this in the boxes yet. The stencils, that's a very nice addition. My last few journals that I've created, I did some stenciling with sprays, like Tattered Angels sprays and distress sprays on the pages to add like a little mixed media effect. And I just love the size of these. Like, this is just perfect for traveler's notebook pages. Like, it's the perfect size if you wanted to do some stenciling on those type of pages. So a nice sort of smaller design. And again, this one, really pretty. What else? So the stamps, I kind of showed those a couple of times because I didn't realize there was so many in this box, and like they're all these really pretty florals. And this one right here is really nice. I really like this like piece right here with the little, I don't know what those are called. Little like bell shaped flowers, very pretty. So love the stamps in this box. Also very detailed designs as well. I kind of want to play with those and stamp those out. The washi is my favorite washi that I've ever received from them. Really pretty orange floral design. And what else did I like? Oh, so these, the like vellum, they're like little vellum pieces, but they have like a burnt edge look to them. Absolutely love that. They're all like that. This is pink. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but and there's this one. But like that nice burned edge look right there. Very cool. Very cool and unique little things. So definitely an excellent pack. I really like this one. I also really liked these. These are the rub-on transfer stickers. This is a unique item that they put in their packages. So you get to take these and you so you peel this sheet. Or actually, I think you would probably want to cut out your design first and don't peel the whole sheet. Don't peel the whole sheet off. Cut out which flowers you want to use and then peel off the backing for that. Place that on whatever you want to place it on. And then use that little tool that I pointed to in the video and rub the sticker on it. It'll transfer to your surface. I've used these even on journal covers. You need to seal them with like a varnish. But yeah, you can use these transfers on a lot of different things. And just I just really love the design of these. So those are just a couple of my favorite things, and everything I thought was really beautiful. Oh, and I did point out too, I was showing that this it's like a little pad. I think you can like peel them out of the pad like that. But these are very similar, or like they're, you know, it looks like that's a scan of, it's like a scan of an authentic vintage postcard back. So where you get that nice debossed image in the back of whatever is on the front, which is a detail that I just love of, you know, vintage postcards in general. So very, very pretty. I hope you go check them out. Oh, one last thing that I really liked in this pack was this paper pack where there's some like textured papers. There's this nice like olivey green sort of textured paper. You can, you know, tear that up and use that for collage work as a like part of your background. But it did come with like this nice like vintage style writing paper. So yeah, just nice stuff to have around. And for people who don't have like a lot of vintage ephemera, you know, like the real thing, and you don't want to like buy that kind of stuff, this is nice because it does give your